ChatGPT or DeepSeek, which one should you use? Well, in this video, we're going to be comparing these two popular chatbots and seeing which one you should use. We'll be going over the design, features, use cases and much more of these two chatbots. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Starting off with design, both chatbots are fairly similar, with the main prompt box in the middle of the screen, both having a sidebar on the left where your chat history is stored. On ChatGPT, underneath the prompt box are a variety of different buttons which will help you start a prompt. For example, if I click Help Me Write, it will provide a list of example prompts which we can use to get us started. If we go into settings on both these chatbots, you can change the theme between light and dark. Moving on to all the features that these two chatbots offer, if we look on the prompt box in DeepSeek, we can see there are three buttons: DeepThink R1, Search and a staple icon. DeepThink R1 is a feature that enhances DeepSeek's reasoning capabilities. Essentially, it enables the chatbot to provide more detailed step-by-step explanations, useful for when you are looking for more in-depth answers for complex topics. If we take a look at the prompt box on ChatGPT, we can see a button called Reason, which is very similar to DeepThink R1, designed to deal with a range of different reasoning tasks. On both chatbots, I'm going to test the reasoning capabilities by asking, a train leaves station A at 60 miles an hour and another leaves station B at 40 miles an hour towards station A. The distance between the two stations is 300 miles. At what time and location will the two trains meet? Provide a detailed step-by-step explanation of your reasoning. As you can see, ChatGPT has provided the amount of time it has spent thinking/reasoning, which is 4 seconds. Then it has provided the stages that it used to work out the answer, bullet pointing key information. DeepSeek, on the other hand, has provided the chatbot's whole thought process to work out the answer. If we read the text, it almost sounds like how a human may think. For example, in the first paragraph it says, I need to figure out when and where they'll meet. Let me think step by step. After it has shown the thought process, it has provided a short description summarising how it got to the answer and has also provided bullet points. Both chatbots got the correct answer, saying that both the trains will meet 3 hours after they depart and will meet 180 miles from station A. Moving on, just like DeepSeek, ChatGPT also has a search feature which, when activated, the chatbot is able to search the web to provide an answer for the prompt you have typed. For example, I'm going to activate this feature on ChatGPT and DeepSeek and ask, what are the hottest countries to visit in Europe in March? Starting with ChatGPT, as expected, it has provided a list of different countries in Europe which are hot in March. Next to each result, it has provided a source for where it got the information for that specific point. If we click on this, it will take us straight to that website. Also, at the bottom is a sources button, which when clicked will open a sidebar listing out all the different websites it used. Now on DeepSeek, it has provided a fairly similar list of countries, but instead of 5, it has listed 7, which, just like ChatGPT, next to each point there are source buttons, and at the top a source button. When clicked, it will take you straight to the website it got its information from. Underneath, it has also provided a summary table summarising the above answers into an easy to understand format. Moving on to the next button, which is a staple icon, both chatbots allow you to upload a variety of different documents such as images, PDFs, text files, spreadsheets and much more. You are able to ask questions and get answers based on the information on these different documents you upload. To start off, I'm simply going to upload this image of a spreadsheet on both chatbots, and I'm going to ask, please can you extract the text of this image? As you can see, ChatGPT is able to understand what the images are. It has worked out that this is an image of a spreadsheet and provided the text in spreadsheet format, whereas DeepSeek is unable to work out what the images are of and is only able to extract text. It has also mistaken the lines between the cells as pipes. Now we know that both chatbots can read and understand images, I'm going to upload a copy of a CV and ask, please can you review my CV and provide improvements? On ChatGPT, it has provided a list of strengths, then listed some areas for improvement with examples, and has provided its final thoughts. DeepSeek, on the other hand, has listed different sections and provided bullet points for what it thinks needs improvement. At the end, it has provided an example of a section of the CV which it has modified. Just like ChatGPT, it has provided some final thoughts. A feature that ChatGPT offers which DeepSeek doesn't is DALL-E, which is OpenAI's image generator and is built into the main chat function of ChatGPT. I'm simply going to type, create a futuristic cityscape at sunset featuring flying cars and towering skyscrapers in the style of cyberpunk art. As expected, it has created a really cool image based on the prompt which we gave. If we click into this image, we have the option to like and dislike it. We can download it. If we click on the information button, this will reveal the exact prompt that DALL-E used to create this image. Another feature that ChatGPT offers, which DeepSeek doesn't, is custom GPTs, which are specialized versions of ChatGPT, which are designed to do a specific task. On the sidebar, if we click Explore GPTs, we can view a variety of different custom GPTs in various categories. For example, this GPT is specifically designed to be used for Canva. I'm simply going to type, create an Instagram reel for my clothing brand. In the matter of seconds, it has come back with a few Instagram reel templates. If we click on any of these, it will take us straight into Canva where we can edit these so they are to our liking. Both chatbots have their own app which allows you to use them on the go. They can both be installed from the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. If we take a look at both apps, they have the same functionality as the web version. Both have the main prompt on the bottom of the screen, and if we swipe right, we can view our chat history. Of course, on the ChatGPT app, you have access to custom GPTs and DALL-E. In conclusion, ChatGPT does offer more features than DeepSeek, but features such as document upload, custom GPTs, and DALL-E are limited on the free version of ChatGPT, so we'll only be able to use these a few times a day, whereas the file upload feature on DeepSeek is unlimited and there's no paid tier on DeepSeek. Both chatbots provide great, fast responses and have an easy to use app. As DeepSeek is fairly new, there should be new features coming out eventually. If you would like us to create a more in-depth comparison between these two chatbots, please let us know by leaving a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.